चलो जो quickly rejoin. I'm waiting. चलो चलो 2-3 लोग बाकी है. We'll wait for them for 10 seconds. So some of the topics for lecture will be Bangalore and software hub. Okay, importance of international organizations, Indian economy, e-governance, donation, ragging, national anthem, joint family, right? AIDS, greenhouse effect, my hobbies, doping in sports, aviation industry in India, girl child, coronavirus, juvenile crime, land requisition bill, e-commerce, Aadhaar card, Indo-China relationship, modernization, AFSPA, Armed Forces Special Power Act, falling value of Indian rupee in context of dollar, FDI in defense, promotes India-Sri Lanka ties, yoga, population merits and demerits, NSG, para-SF, ecological system in India, reservation system, CPEC, sex education, honor killing, sponsorship in sports, mobile phones, WTO, social network, tax reforms, right? So just take screenshot ले लीजिए just to give you idea about the topics. Some will be very, some you will find very difficult, some you will find moderate, some you will find easiest. Okay? जो कुछ भी topic आपको लगता है कि you can speak well in 3 minutes in structured manner, choose it. Don't worry. Understood? So this is all about the lecturette. Thank you for watching this video so far. Okay? And if there are any questions, please ask, and please guys subscribe the link of our channel to most of your, आपके friends को subscribe कीजिए. At least 10 people को आप every day just put that link for minimum 10 people. Okay, who you think are enthusiastic or not enthusiastic. Understood? You can just help me from your side to improve our channel. Okay, chalo, is there any question? Please raise your hand and I'll answer the questions. Chalo, Avinash, do you have any question? Lavina, if there is any question. Ajay, Kamini, Surender, Niket, Pooja, Sushant, Vijay Kumar, you guys have any question? Okay, Avinash, no sir. Okay, fine. Ajay have no question. Kamini have no question. Okay, Sushant is no question. Okay, Lavina, can we include personal experience in opinion? Yes, yes. If you include personal experience in opinion, Lavina, that will be a good thing. Okay, yes, you can improve, and I will tell you, if there is possibility, everyone should give the personal experience in the opinion. Good, you can. Yes, Surender, okay, no question. Vijay Kumar have no question. Vijay Kumar, are you getting everything? Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vijay. Good to see you back.
Yes.
Chalo. So, I hope that's it for today. Not for today, for the morning, of course. We are going to, I'll see you again in the evening, 7 o'clock, right? तो बाकी बचे हैं individual obstacle, command task and final group task. So today हम individual obstacle खत्म कर देंगे, and tomorrow we are going to finish in the morning session itself command task and final group task. तो कल हमारा GTO खत्म हो जाएगा, right? Yes, you welcome Kamini. Okay, so thank you everyone for keeping thank you everyone for being in the lecture. ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को आप ज्वाइन करवाइए यार. ओके, धीरे धीरे लोग कम होते जा रहे हैं. ओके, ऐसे लेक्चर आपको फिर नहीं मिलेंगे. ओके, कुछ भी हो जाए, इतने ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड लेक्चर आपको कहीं पे क्लासेस में जाके लगाने पड़ेंगे. सो इसको यूटिलाइज करो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों में स्प्रेड करो. ओके, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी comment, if you have any doubt, if you want to suggest anything, simply put that suggestion in my personal inbox. Okay, chalo, good day, take care, bye bye.